Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So deer season 2024 in East Texas has been really good to us. We've been able to get 2 deer. First deer we processed ourselves. Decided to do some ground meat. My wife is gonna make some meatballs and some deer meatloaf, so can't wait to eat that. But the second deer, we took it to the meat processor and decided to make half of it on regular sausage, second half on jalapeno cheese sausage, just to see the difference. Stay until the end of the video. You'll see when I cut the meat, the type of meat deer will produce. This is really lean, healthy. It's the best meat you can get. It's not processed. It doesn't have any of the preservatives or additives you find at the grocery store. So please stay till the end. I hope you enjoy. So without further ado, this is our harvest. We're gonna put it on the grill, and I hope you enjoy. So this is one of the deers we got in 2024 last month. I took it to the meat processor and we got some regular sausage, and we got some jalapeno and cheese, about 40 something pounds. I was charged about $180, so I don't know if it's worth taking it to the processor, but this is not traditional meat. This is venison, deer, whitetail, and I may be thinking of setting up a shop so I can do it myself. But either way, it's a lot of meat, and I'm really happy I got this. Okay, I'm about to grill this deer. So this is jalapeno and cheese. As you can see, it's got better color. It smells better, a really good smell. But this is just regular sausage. I'm not sure what spices to put on there. I don't think they put any spices other than pork fat, maybe fillers. I'm not sure, but we'll see what happens after I cook them. All right, grill is hot. Let's see what happens. Never cooked deer before, but I'm gonna be very cautious. I'm gonna put it away from the flame. Again, this is regular, and as you can see, there's a difference in color on the jalapeno. Do this here. It's pretty good. Okay, now let's see what happens. Site temperature about 150 right now. All right, 10 minutes in, looks pretty good. Switch them around. Man, this stuff smells really, really good. Gonna turn the heat down a little bit. We'll give it another 5 minutes. Okay, for some reason these open up first. I'm gonna move them up here, but they look delicious. Maybe I will continue to make the jalapenos or process the jalapenos more often, but they look really good. Turn these over. Wow, look at that. So I strongly recommend everybody to go hunt and process your own meat. This is really good meat, fairly cheaper than the grocery store. So, and better taste. Beautiful. All right, I think these are done. Look at the cheese jalapeno in there. Oh, very good meat. Excellent. Oh, skipping a little bit of grease. Really good. And I think these are done too. Again, these here are regular sausage, nothing mixed with it, just deer meat. And the first four here are jalapeno and cheese. So again, I strongly recommend you go hunting, process your own meat. It's better quality, cheaper than going out to the grocery store, and you definitely have a better dinner all year round. Okay, this is jalapeno cheese whitetail. Oh, look at the cheese. Wow, look at that. It's pretty good, right? And this is the regular. Yeah. Not soft, a little bit softer. Still pretty good. Yep. So, till next time, guys, like and subscribe, and stay outdoors.